Back to Thursday, October 9th trade recap. Today we took a big W. Basically, so I am on fall break, so I'm able to trade at home, and trading at home is way easier than trading in class, like a lot easier. So yeah, as you guys can see here, we had a win. 2-minute trade, really easy. So let's see what we have here for the day. So if we look, let's just go back to market open. I'm gonna keep this fairly short today, like I try to do every day. So as we're market open, I don't really know what to expect for the day. I was looking bearish because we, after we've been sweeping all-time highs, we've been absolutely dumping. But we were mostly chopping all London session and all Asian session. So, not really too much of a bias from that standpoint. But as you guys can see, right into market open. So this is NASDAQ. Right into market open, NASDAQ immediately starts pumping lower, while ES comes up and takes out London highs, creating this crazy SMT right here. So this right here was a huge SMT. We'll change this to dotted line. There we go. So that was a huge SMT right there. And that led me to be really bearish in the short term, because it kind of went with my bias for it dumping. And as you guys can see, I wanted to take this trade on NASDAQ because it was the leading index here, and ES had also kind of caught up. ES actually ended up dumping more than NASDAQ. So I wanted to see equilibrium filled, or this fair value gap, 1 minute fair value gap get refilled for a change in state of direction to the downside on the 1 minute. So as you guys can see here, equilibrium basically gets filled, and I was just so confident with SMT that this is really close, and it doesn't have to be exact. Like within a point or two really can validate that. But anyways, we get another rotation to the downside here, and this change in state of direction that we see right here. As you guys can see, we break through this, enter on that closed candle, and I was targeting some internal draws on liquidity. Sorry, I'm trying to find them. I was targeting these equal lows right here. And as you guys can see, after 2 very short minutes, equal lows ended up getting tapped into, and we ended up reversing into this 1 minute fair value gap and seeing another beautiful rotation back to the downside. So that was today's trade. Made $500 on both of my evals, and I will be trading tomorrow, so you guys stay tuned for that. I appreciate you guys for taking the time out of your day to watch this, and if you guys want to learn how to trade my super simple model that could have been taken today, then you guys can go check out my video on that. And yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching, and have a great rest of your day.